15 amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. Hello, and welcome to Tech Island. Do you dread spending time in the kitchen due to a lack of proper tools and gadgets? Are you struggling with messy countertops, injuries from dull knives, and appliances that just don't work? Well, struggle no more. In this article, we'll explore 15 incredible kitchen gadgets available on Amazon that will make cooking efficient, safe, and dare we say it, fun. Farberware Professional Heat, Resistant Nylon Meat, and Potato Masher. First up, we have the Farberware Professional Heat Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher, which solves two needs with one inexpensive tool. With its 5-blade design, this versatile utensil doubles as both a meat chopper for ground beef and turkey and a potato masher for softer foods like yams and squash. The oversized nylon head is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe for non-stick cookware. Simply press the blades into meats or vegetables to reach the desired consistency. The angled blades scrape pots and bowls easily while mixing and mashing. Best of all, this $9.99 tool is top-rack dishwasher safe for quick cleaning. No kitchen should be without it. Maypor Vegetable Chopper. Chopping loads of veggies can be time-consuming and risky with dull knives. The Maypor Vegetable Chopper simplifies this tedious task with 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, dicing, shredding, chopping, and more. This innovative design allows you to cut vegetables directly into the 1.2L container, eliminating the need for a cutting board and preventing messy spills. The included scrubbing fork also makes cleaning this handy $23 gadget a breeze. Reduce meal prep time, add more veggies to your family's diet, and keep fingers safe, all with one appliance. CenD Prodo Pastry Scraper. /cutter/chopper home bakers will drool over the CenD Prodo Pastry Scraper. This mirror-polished, multitasking stainless steel tool features a built-in measuring scale for convenience. Use it to easily portion dough, transfer chopped ingredients from cutting board to bowl, scrape down mixer sides, and divide batter between cake pans. The comfortable non-slip handle provides smooth operation even when bearing down. No need for multiple pots and spoon measures creating clutter. This useful $16 find replaces several tools while making baking projects easier and more precise. Tinky Fan-Shaped Silicone Funnel. Tired of spilling liquids and making a mess when trying to fill bottles and containers? The unique Tinky Fan-Shaped Silicone Funnel is collapsible for compact storage and expands when needed to neatly transfer liquids without drips or spills. Made from FDA-approved food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant up to 230 degrees C and won't retain odors or stains. The chamfered spout design allows smooth, controlled pouring. Stop struggling with unwieldy funnels and keep this flexible $7 space-saving helper handy for effortless filling. Fullstar All-in-One Vegetable Chopper, Mandoline Slicer, and Cheese Grater. Chopping and slicing enough vegetables to feed a crowd can be extremely labor-intensive. The Fullstar All-in-One Mandoline Slicer handles this painstaking job with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades for customized slicing, grating, frying, and spiralizing. Effortlessly adjust thickness with the easy turn dial. The catch tray contained mess while the non-slip base keeps it steady. Bonus handheld spiralizer included. This $31 appliance eliminates most other bulky slicers and choppers, saving storage space while protecting fingers. Hurry and snag this handy 5-in-1 tool to simplify meal preparation. Kitchellence Cooking Utensils Set. Equipping a kitchen with all the necessary cooking and serving tools piece by piece is costly. The Kitchellence Cooking Utensils Set bundles all essentials for only $21.49. The set of 35 durable nylon and stainless steel utensils resists melting, rust, scratching, and sticking. It contains all the basics like ladles, spoons, spatulas, tongs, whisks, measuring cups and spoons, dough scrapers, and more conveniently, stored in a classy gift box. Never scramble to complete a recipe again, thanks to this complete set replacing flimsy old utensils with heavy-duty kitchen essentials built to last. KitchenAid Kitchen Funnel Set. Struggling to pour liquids into small openings without spilling is incredibly frustrating. The KitchenAid Kitchen Funnel Set offers a solution with flexible silicone funnel options. The BPA-free 4-piece set contains 2 large and 2 small collapsible funnels in handy bright colors. Because they compress down small and expand when needed, these space-saving funnels won't hog precious drawer or cabinet space. Heat-resistant, to 250 degrees C. They're easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. Stop pouring messes and keep these convenient funnels ready to neatly fill any sized opening. KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-sided Meat Tenderizer. Pounding meat to an ideal thinness for cutlets can be quite challenging without a quality tool. The KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-sided Meat Tenderizer takes the work out of this task with its textured surface to optimize tenderizing. The aluminum construction provides durability for heavy use, while weighing under 1 pound for easy handling. The hole in the ergonomic handle offers hanging storage options to keep it readily available but out of the way. This $13.94 tool will earn its place as a staple for prepping the perfect chicken cutlets, veal scallopine, or pork chops every time. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Clip-on strainer. Draining hot pasta or vegetables can be tricky without a splatter guard nearby. The Snap and Strain Clip-on strainer from Kitchen Gizmo is a handy solution that fits round pots and pans of all sizes. The BPA-free heat-resistant silicone securely snaps onto cookware edges, creating a built-in strainer so food stays put while draining. No more juggling a slippery colander or struggling with heavy pots. Customers love this $16 universal strainer for its space-saving size, mess containment, and safety. Make meal prep safer and tidier with this clip-on essential. Kitchellence 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories. Chopping duties dull knife blades quickly, making slicing tedious and unsafe. The Kitchellence 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories Sharpener fixes this issue by pulling blades through fail-proof slots to repair, restore, and polish. The ergonomic design suits right and left-handed users. It sharpens in seconds, while the non-slip base offers control. Also includes a cut-resistant glove for safety. Say goodbye to sawing at vegetables with worthless blades and keep this $16.97 sharpening system handy for razor edges in moments. Spring Chef Professional Cheese Grater. Grating rock-hard cheese can be difficult and shred fingers in the process. The extra-wide Spring Chef Professional Cheese Grater, made of durable stainless steel, allows grating soft or hard cheese with ease. Its 4-sided design provides multiple grating options, including coarse and fine sizes. The removable non-slip base catches pulverized cheese. Replace box graters and hazardous processors with this user-friendly $12.97 grater for mounds of perfect cheese shreds in seconds. ALIEXPRESS Silicone Cooking Utensils. Set stainless steel. Cooking utensils conduct heat that can burn hands while their hardness damages non-stick cookware over time. The ALIEXPRESS Silicone Cooking Utensils. Set offers a safer solution with heat-resistant flexible silicone heads up to 446 degree F. The seamless construction prevents food and gunk buildup. The inserted stainless steel cores strengthen heads to resist deformation. The BPA-free 15-piece set contains all essential spoon, turners, tongs, brushes, whisks, spatula, etc. Protect hands and pans while enjoying effortless food release with this quality set for only $23.99. Cuisinart Fondue Pot. Entertaining guests with a fountain of swirling melted cheese or chocolate is made easy with the elegant Cuisinart 3-quart fondue pot. The adjustable temperature probe heats oil, broth, cheese, or chocolate to the ideal consistency for dipping with included stainless steel forks. The non-stick interior prevents scorching and cleans up easily by hand or in the dishwasher. Experience restaurant flair at home with the perfect pot for delivering decadent fun at your next dinner party. This versatile electric pot will become a go-to appliance for every event. KitchenAid Gourmet. Stainless steel wire masher. Mashing potatoes and root vegetables by hand can be exhausting. The KitchenAid Gourmet stainless steel wire masher makes it fast and easy with its upright mashing plate design forged from thick, rugged stainless steel wire. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Quickly flatten or puree fruits and vegetables to desired smoothness without hand strain or mess. This $12.99 workhorse masher helps prepare lump-free potatoes and baby food with minimal effort. ALIEXPRESS Pro. Lemon zester and heavy-duty cheese grater. Spice up recipes with bright citrus zest or finely grated Parmesan cheese using the razor-sharp ALIEXPRESS Pro. Lemon zester and cheese grater. This tool's etched stainless steel blade zips through rinds without digging into the bitter pith. The curved shape and non-slip handle allow nearly effortless control when applying pressure. Quickly mince garlic or ginger too. Replace box graters and bulky appliances with this $16.97 space-saving manual zester for limitless kitchen creations. Well, those are 15 amazing kitchen gadgets available on Amazon that will simplify cooking tasks, protect fingers, and improve culinary outcomes. From chopping to straining, zesting to mashing, there's a reliable tool ready to help. Give new purpose to dreaded meal prep and tap into your inner chef with this arsenal of kitchen helpers. Let us know in the comments below which gadget you're adding to the cart first.